Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode Academy, your go-to channel for Flutter tutorials. In today's episode of Flutter Widget of the Day, we are going to explore one of the most important widgets, the aspect ratio. If you ever struggle to maintain the consistent ratio between width and height, the aspect ratio is here for help. In simple words, the aspect ratio helps you define the proportion between width and height of a child widget. Let's say you are building a video player app and you want the video to maintain proper ratio across different devices. Using aspect ratio ensure that it looks right across different devices. Let's see a simple example how you can use aspect ratio in Flutter app. I give aspect ratio to 16 divide 9. This gives a beautiful landscape view. And this ratio means for every 16 units of width, the height will be 9 units. This is extremely useful when building responsive UIs, especially for images, videos, or containers that should look good across different screen sizes. And you can also reverse this ratio for portrait view. And when you run your app, you can see the portrait view in your app. So that's the aspect ratio widget in Flutter. It's simple yet powerful tool for responsive UIs. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DevCode Academy. I will see you next one. Khuda Hafiz.